Apple iPad Pro 2021 renders showcase new 11-inch and 12.9-inch models. Pigtwins Leaks 7 have combined again to deliver exquisite renders of the next iPad Pro tablets. 91 Mobiles had already provided a CAD render of the upcoming 12.9-inch model, but those published by Leaks 7 and Pig2 offer a more detailed view of how both models will look. Unsurprisingly, both tablets resemble their predecessors. According to Pigtwins Leaks 7, the 11-inch model will measure 247.6 by 178.5 by 5.9 mm, matching last year's tablet size. However, the rear-facing camera housing has grown minimally to 7.7 mm, although we are unsure why. There are changes to the Smart Connector either, nor the magnet's location for the Apple Pencil. Likewise, the USB Type-C port remains at the bottom of the tablet, while Apple will continue to equip its 11-inch iPad Pro with two rear-facing cameras and a LiDAR sensor. The bezels surrounding the 11-inch display look slightly smaller than those of its predecessor, though. Similarly, the next 12.9-inch iPad Pro looks identical to the current model. Accordingly, the 5th-generation tablet supposedly measures 280.6 by 215 by 6.39 mm, with its camera housing protruding by another 2.04 mm. The upcoming tablet is 0.49 mm thicker than its predecessor, suggesting that Apple needs more space for additional hardware. Rumor has it that Apple will equip its next 12.9-inch iPad Pro with a mini LED screen, but it is unclear if Apple needs a thicker chassis to accompany this new screen technology. The added thickness could also be to make the 12.9-inch iPad Pro more rigid, as previous designs have been structurally weak. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.